What's good, everyone? I'm back today with a market review of the NASDAQ, what happened today, why I didn't take any trades, and I'm gonna just get into it quickly to make this a quick video and not waste anyone's time. So, coming into the day, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I've been like bearish for a while, wanting these lows to get taken out because they were like stacked up lows, relatively equal lows. It's a strong draw. Now, when we opened up last night for the new week opening gap, made a big gap, and it dumped and took out all these lows. So after that, I was like, okay, one, we have a new week opening gap, which was a very strong bullish draw, and we just took out all this sell side. So I was bullish coming into the day. Like here, we filled it a little bit during, what was this at, like 5 o'clock. So I wanted to target this new week opening gap. And I guess at open, what I really would have wanted to see was for us to manipulate lower, take out these lows, or maybe even, I don't know, this was just a weird leg. If we like perfectly souped this low, showed that we didn't want to go here, and got a long from here, that's what I was looking for. But instead, we came up, instantly started hitting the new week opening gap again. And after that, I was like, okay, since we already hit it again, yes, it still needs to fully be filled, but I'm not just going to re-long to it right away. I would want a pullback plus some type of internal target and structure built up. But we didn't get that. We started dumping through this leg, and that honestly started making me feel a little bearish because one, we rejected it, closed below, and we had these stacked up lows over here. So I started looking for shorts, but this 5-minute gap, only play that got off of it was a little 30-second somewhere. Right here, this 30-second inversion, which I didn't like just because it's a 30-second. This low already got taken on a yes, so I expected more of a rebound, no internal target. Yeah, and now when this leg came back up, it inversed this 5-minute gap, so it wasn't a valid PD rate to use anymore. And then we just chopped the rest of the day. So after that, I was done. Wasn't even looking to take any more trades. And yeah, that's something that people need to learn, is that you may have, like, let's say your trading time is, for example, mine is 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's the New York session. That's the most volatile time. But a lot of the times by like 10:15, 10:20, 10:30, I can already tell that I'm not going to get a trade in anymore due to the price action not being good. It's just doing nothing, kind of like not respecting my levels or doing it what I want it to, like doing what I want it to do. And at those points, I'm able to like disconnect and go do something else, stop looking at the charts. And that stops me from a lot of losses. If I keep staring at the charts the whole entire time when I know it's unfavorable, I'll end up taking, maybe I could end up taking a bad trade, something that isn't that good when I know the price action isn't good. And it would cause a loss because price action's not good. So if you're someone that struggles with things like that, whenever you know that the price action's bad, and it's like before you're at the end of your trading time and you already know that, like, okay, I'm probably not going to get a setup, just get off, go do something else. And yeah, I didn't like longs here. Like, yes, we had this SMT at the low with this 1-minute inversion. Maybe what else was in this leg? 2-minute, no, 2-minute inversion. And reason I didn't like that is because we have all these stacked up lows here. We didn't perfectly respect whatever PD array is here, which was a little hourly gap, 15-minute gap. ES looked like it wants to take out all these lows, which is why I didn't want to long here. And didn't want to short here either because we had no PD array. At this point, that's how I knew, okay, like it's already 10:15. There isn't much that can happen today that will make me want to take a trade because just this whole leg isn't really clear and we've been pretty choppy. So I'm just going to sit out and go do something else. And that preserve my capital for the day. Here is my P&L. Same account balance as last week after I took that win. And yeah, considering buying some cheap Apex evals to throw on CPI on Wednesday, well, I'll see. I'll let you guys know if I do that and how that goes. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.